What does she like to
He's
say?
taking come over here and get a front picture of her.
Not me though.
Really though?
No, I'm not photogenic.
I'm on the most wanted list. I
Gigi.
don't.
We need somebody to talk to him.
Hey,
Hello, Gigi. Hello, hello, hello. Now you're gonna put this on the news tonight. 2 idiots standing there talking to a bird. Hello,
At Walmart.
hello. Wait a minute.
What
she
was
said
that?
something.
What was
She
that?
tried to mimic you guys when you laugh too when you say that.
You pretty girl.
Wow.
Bye bye. Wanna go bye bye?
She don't want to. Maybe she you around her for a little
I
while
love
or
the
whatever.
colors.
Yeah, you
She's
should.
beautiful.
Yeah, look at the tail
Wow.
feathers. You're getting good picture.
Right.
Oh yeah.
I just make the most one.
So you just go out and kick it with your bird?
I can't leave her hang, man, at the house in a cage. You know, I gotta. Now you got a computer. You do Facebook.
No, I don't do Facebook. I got a
Okay.
computer though.
She's got a webpage on Facebook.
Oh yeah, what is it?
Where's Gigi? WHERE Gigi. Where's Gigi?
That's
Where's
what's up.
Gigi?
Where?
Put her on Facebook. You do Facebook?
Yeah.
Where's Gigi is her page.
Where's Gigi?
Yeah. WHERE Gigi. You know, be good. She's just good. She's not gonna hurt. She's not gonna hurt. Really?
How long you had them?
I've had her all her life. Almost 20 years.
Wow. That's cool, man. Oh, that's cool, man. You have a good one.
All right, man. Get good.